Hello guys, nagluto tayo ng omelette with egg na isang pirasong itlog, isang kamatis, isang sibuyas. Tapos lagyan natin isang egg, binatin natin, lagyan natin kalahating kutsara na toyo. Tara, ilagyan na natin itong egg na may kalahating kutsara ng toyo. So ayun nga guys, dyan natin itong omelette na egg with soy sauce. Bye bye. Good vibes and God bless you all. Peace out. See you in next video people. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Tara, kain tayo. See you in next video people. God bless us all. Peace out.